Hi my lovely people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mariama. You are highly welcome. In this channel I do makeup tutorials, fashion review and lifestyle. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, darling. Support the girl. It costs nothing, it's free. Please subscribe to my channel, support the girl. So in today's video we are going to reveal things from SHEIN. Is it SHEIN or SHEIN? Things from SHEIN or SHEIN, whatever. I have this problem of how to call pronunciation. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. So without further ado, guys, let's go into the video. So this is my things here. I bought from SHEIN. Let me hide my address. This is the things I bought from SHEIN. So guys, stay tuned and let's reveal things together. So guys, this is the bag I bought from SHEIN. Look at the bag here. Very cute, nice bag, little bag, but I was thinking that the bag is a big bag if you see it on the picture, but it's still nice, it's not bad. So this bag comes with this little rope here. I think it's to tie it somewhere. Anyway, I will put the picture on the screen. So it comes with this chain like this. So if you don't want to hold the bag like this, you can attach the chain on it and you're good to go. Okay, I think this bag is I don't know how much it costs, but anyway, I'll put it on the screen, guys. So the second one is this beautiful green color. Wow, guys, look at this bag. It's very beautiful. Oh, behave, girl. So this is the bag. It's nice, green color with this gold chain here. Very beautiful. So it comes with this one. So this one also, the price of this bag, I will attach it on the screen. I think somewhere here or there. Okay, this is the glasses I bought from SHEIN. Just like this. So these are four. Is it 4 or 3? 4 different kind of glasses. Yeah, I don't know even where the other one for that. I think it's inside. Okay, see it. So it's 4 different kind of glasses. This black one here. I love the black one. Like if I wear this one and go to the okay, girl. I look so beautiful on this one, ain't it? Guys, I look nice on this one. Let's tell the truth. If it is not nice, no problem. If the glasses don't fit me, no problem, no pee. But I think I look nice on these glasses anyway. Okay, guys, these glasses are not expensive from SHEIN. You can get all together with cheap price. It's not expensive. So here is the second one. I kind of love this one. Honestly, I kind of love this one. It look nice. Even I think it look nice, guys. This one also look nice. Okay, so yeah, here is the other one. I get 4. You can select. If you go to the page, you can select which one you want. There is different kind of color. So I bought these 4 together. Wow, guys. This one fit me, right? Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. It look nice. Okay, and I love the color too. The color is nice. So let's check this one also. This one also look nice. Wow, these colors are all nice anyway. It's nice colors. All the colors are nice. I'm good to go with. Oh guys, I know I'm crazy. Please forgive me. Yeah, so guys, this is the glasses I bought from SHEIN. Very nice and cheap. It's not that expensive. If I mean cheap, I don't mean it's cheap. You understand? If I say cheap, I mean it costs a little money. So this hat also, I bought 2. I was thinking that I buy 1. In mine, I order only 1, but unfortunately, it comes 2. So I don't know what to do with the other one. If someone need it, let me know on the comment section, then I will ship it to you. Yeah, so this hat look like this. It's kind of winter hat, you know. It's nice though. I love the color. I love everything about this hat. It's so nice. It's nice. And then the texture is nice. I like the material. It's smooth. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm beautiful, girl. I'm beautiful. Okay, so guys, if someone need it, it's 2. I was thinking I order only 1, but it's 2. So if someone need it, let me know in the comment section. I will ship it to you. No problem. I will ship it to you. I think this one is top. Yeah, this one is top. So this one also, I order it from SHEIN. You can see. Wow, with this brows on it. With this brows on it, with the eyelashes, and then this one eye that is open like a mommy water eye. Mommy water eye. Yeah, I love the color. The top is nice. I think one of these days I'll wear this one. I will wear it to go out. The color is very nice. I love it, and the material is good. So yeah. Also, I think it's okay. This one is 90, guys. My sexy, oh sexy lady. This 90 is very nice, and the material is soft. The material is soft, so this one is the top. This one is the top, you know the top. This one is the top. Wow, look at this, guys. This 90 nightwear is very sexy. It's very sexy. Like it's free, you know. If you are sleeping in the night, it's good to sleep with something that is free on your body, because you don't need to tight your body like you are going to a war, you know, like you are going to fight with your village people. Oh my god, guys, don't mind me. I just trying to make some fun so that you guys will enjoy the video, you know. So this one here is top. This one is top. Yeah, it's top. So guys, look at this sexy top. Oh girl, you were sexy. Oh girl, you were sexy. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this top. I love this top. The back is given. The back is given, you know. The front also is given, and it's not that expensive, so I love it. I love it, guys. I love this top. So let's go to something else. So this one also, I get it from SHEIN. This one is very good. I see that many hairdressers use it for their for their wig. When they install their wig, and then they will just apply it on top so that the wig will lay and look nice. I see some people also on their website, they are using it on their own natural hair, but this one, me, I bought it for my wigs, you know. I have wigs, so a lot of wigs. I'm a wig girl. Yeah, no problem. I wear wig. Even this one is not my real hair. I think you know it. So I wear wig. Yeah, I wear wig. So guys, okay. So this one also is a bag, a black and white bag. Very nice. Look at it, guys. It's not that big, but it's nice, you know, to go out with it. It's portable, cute bag, and then don't see it like this outside because it's small. Inside is big. Inside is big. You can put your phone inside. You can put your phone inside. You can put your perfume. Yeah. You can put your little wallet. Like, the bag have big room, and the color is nice. You know, when this bag is dirty, you can still wash it. It will not spoil because it's something like plastic. So it comes with this chain here. If you don't like it like this, you know, like this, you can add the chain on it, and then you step out, go and have fun, or you go for your date. Yeah. Beautiful baby, you are beautiful. I love you. Oh wow, so this one also is a bag, another black and white bag. Little baby girl. Guys, honestly, when I see this bag on the website, I fell in love with the bag instant because of the color and the material. So I was thinking that the bag is big, so I added to my shopping list instantly. So I ordered it together with the things. But when the bag come, when I see it is small like this, I was disappointed. But you know, when you love something, you love it. I was disappointed, guys, honestly. When I saw this bag, when the things come and I saw this bag, oh my god, I wanted to cry because I was thinking that it's a big bag. It's small, but still it's cute. One thing, I love it because the bag have room inside, so still I have a space inside where I can put my phone. In this bag I can put only my phone and my little wallet. I cannot put perfume inside, only my phone and little wallet on my bank card. Finish, not much. But the bag is nice, and then the material is good. The only thing, I'm disappointed that the bag is small like this. As you can see, it's small. But anyway, the last thing is this one here. It's nice. It's two color, brown and black. You will just put it inside your head like this. It's for natural hair, or I think you can use it for wig too, I don't know. But me, I buy it for my hair. Like, if I don't put any wig on my head, then I want to go out, I don't want to take time, you know, to stay here to do little hair, little hairstyle, simple hairstyle. It's easy. I will just comb my hair and put gel and something else. So I just use this one and, you know, put it on. It's a nice thing. Yes, guys. So yeah, this was the things I buy from SHEIN. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. But guys, please like my videos, share it to family and friends, show the girl love, support my channel, guys, support the girl. Okay, so let me know what you guys love to see on this channel, then I will try to do it. If I can do it, I will try to do it. Don't forget to follow me Instagram Mariam Be Cute, on TikTok Mariam Be Cute, on Twitter Mariam Be Cute. So see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this trying haul, like this reveal from SHEIN. So see you guys in my next video. I love you all. I love you all. Bye for now. Bye bye.